Alright, now I know everybody, I told you I had some more things coming for the car. I've been sitting on these parts for a little while now. I figure it's time to go ahead and reveal the next. I'd have to say the last big thing I'm doing on the car. TruHart. Air struts. Vera. Air suspension. I'm going to show y'all what we got going here. And what we're going to be working with. Now I've already opened all this just to kind of get an idea of what we got. This bag right here is going to be the wireless setup. Hang on one second. Alright, this setup right here is for the wires, the switch panel, everything that goes in the dash. It's all the wiring for all that, as well as the wireless remote. Pretty cool. We got all that. We've got compressor, 4-gallon tank, airline. Let's see. There's the brains right there. The airlift performance. Filters. And instructions, warranty paperwork. This is sensor wiring. I've got 4 individual pressure sensors, 5 individual pressure sensors actually. We've got one for tank and one for each corner. And well, I don't have it out. But that's what they look like. Goes into the tank. There should be 5 of those. I've got the Elite set up. I've got the Bluetooth Evo set. Basically, I got the top of the line kit that they offered. Yeah, there's 5 sensors, more filters and brackets, sensor wiring, all the wiring, power wires, everything like that, all in this. Now, there's a lot of this I still have not gone through yet and seen, so you'll be seeing it with me in just one second. Alright, now this is the big part. This is the part that took so long to ship. If you saw my video before about Pro Civic, Pro Import, and Moto, these are the guys I used to go through with this stuff. Trying not to cut too deep. And a little Viper Tech Joker. It's one of my everyday carry knives. Now, y'all are seeing this the same time I am. My minion making all the noise he can right now. And spanner wrenches, a TruHart sticker. TruHart, not TruHart. Air assembly constructions. And then this is the shocks and the struts. In just 1 second and I'll get one open. Alright, this is a front. You can tell by that piece right there, I'm sure. Nice multiple levels of adjustment for base ride height and everything like that. Good. Feels nice and solid. Ready to get it on the car, see what we got. Alright, give me a second, I'll open another one and see what we got. See if we can get it back. Alright, there's a back now. Sorry, trying to figure out this damn camera. Wow, it wants to zoom so far in. Alright, got the front. You know, the rear has nice height adjustment as well. Everything's set on it. Again, feels pretty good and solid. So, if you're interested in doing the setup, I'll put links in there to where you can go. And of course, you don't have to get the full-blown air management like I did. I've got electronic valves. I got wireless to where I can use my phone, even a remote. You can get just a basic kit, which is tank compressor, bags, you know, and run manual paddle valves if you want. It's just all up to your liking. But stay tuned, stay with me, and we'll get all this stuff going. I got I need a few more things to do before the bags go on, but it's coming soon. So stick with it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.